Hey, welcome back to the BeaverCraft carving studio, where sharp tools and good wood turn into something magical. Today we're carving something special, a guardian angel figurine made from a single block of wood. No glue joints, just you, your tools, and plenty of focus. Some might even say this one looks like Archangel Gabriel. Calm face, flowing robe, and a peaceful palm branch in hand. It's a project that's full of symbolism, technique, and beauty. So let's get into it. This project is a great challenge and a great reward. Guardian angels are timeless figures, calm, protective, and often filled with personal meaning for the carver. It's got everything: fabric folds, symmetrical wings, a human figure, hands, even a carved palm frond, and it still feels grounded and peaceful. It's a serious upgrade from total beginner projects, but if you're a bold beginner or already carving with confidence, you're in the right place. Here's the setup. We're working with basswood, nice and soft, clean grain, carves like butter. The block is roughly 4 by 4 by 10 inches. That's about 100 by 100 by 250 millimeters. Now the tools, and yes, we're keeping it simple and solid. G3 20 big shallow gouge yet for removing bulk and smoothing. K808 compact gouge because great for rounding and subtle shaping. K512 compact gouge are perfect for those tighter curves. C8 small cutting knife and for refining features. And the K1202 compact V tool, your go-to for texture and sharp lines. All of these tools and wood are available on our website. Check the description below for links. You'll also want a printed pattern, pencil, glue, and a clamp to hold things steady while you work. Let's start by marking the waist areas on the block. We'll cut those away to get closer to the figure's shape. Glue your printed patterns onto the block, our front, sides, and back. These give us a consistent reference. Now saw away the waist and add a couple of relief cuts. Those extra curves let the chips break free easily during rough out. We're leaving the very bottom of the block square that gives the clamp a solid grip while we carve. Now we're into it. Start by carving down the wing outlines. Use your larger gouge to define the outer curves. Then move on to the body. Knock out those blocky corners, remove material to define the shape, and get closer to the flow of the robe and the figure's posture. Next, carve the space between the wings and shoulders. Open that space up, bring in some real depth. It's starting to come alive. Okay, once the bulk is gone, refine the silhouette, the form, start rounding the edges, softening transitions, and smoothing out any rough tool marks and dialing in the flow of the fabric. This part is all about rhythm. Take your time and let the angel emerge naturally. Now, onto the smaller elements of this project. Let's carve the palm branch first. You need to define each leaf and carve each little line. Use soft, steady pressure, clean, confident cuts. Keep it light. We want the texture without overcutting. Then the hands. Shape the fingers so they cradle the branch naturally. Don't chase microscopic anatomy, capture the gesture and keep it gentle. If it looks like it's holding something with care, not gripping, not stiff, you're doing it right. Up next, the head. Start by blocking in the shape, forehead, chin, jawline, the volume of the hair. Once the proportions are in place, move to the features and carve the eyes, nose, and mouth. Keep it soft. Angelic, not over-defined. The eyes, just subtle hints, no deep gouges. Now it's time for the wings. Start by sketching the feather layout with a pencil. Keep it simple, just a guide. Then carve the wing. Work one feather at a time, layer over layer. Work from the top rows downward so the layers overlap naturally. Once the first wing is fully laid in, repeat the same sequence on the second. You want symmetry, but don't sweat perfect. Real wings aren't mirror images. Last steps, clean up any tool marks and gently sand the whole piece. Don't overdo it, you're not trying to erase your work. Be especially careful around the eyes, hands, and edges of the wings. Those details can disappear fast. At this stage, it's all about feel, smooth, natural, finished. If you like, rub in a little oil or beeswax for a satin glow. Unfinished basswood already has a soft, natural charm, so finish is totally up to you. That's the final cut. One block, your hands, and a lot of skill. Your guardian angel is complete. If you've carved along, seriously, props to you. This project's no joke. If you're just watching for now, give it a try. And while you're at it, hit like and subscribe. We've got plenty more carving adventures on the way. Until next time, stay creative and keep carving.